Here's Alaska, and she's 7 weeks old, gonna be 8 weeks old on Friday. She's really a beauty. She's really growing. She's about 8 pounds, so she's awful pretty, aren't you, baby doll?
She loves the snow.
She loves the snow, so I'm gonna put her down in the snow so you can see her. Here we go.
She's got her little sled.
Here we go. You want to get on the sled? Huh? You are doing so good. Are you a big girl? Yes, you are a big girl.
She doesn't know what to do with it.
I don't know about this, but I do know about snow.
Oh,
she
here we
likes
go.
the snow, 'cause I am a snow dog. What are you doing? Oh,
there we go.
Hey, Alaska.
Hey.
Hey,
Come
what's
here,
up,
honey.
huh?
She's exploring.
Who's in the backyard, huh? Who's in the backyard?
Hello.
Hello, who's in the backyard? What a pretty girl you are. What a pretty